Did you know that many turbo engine failures aren't caused by defective parts? They're caused by everyday driving habits that most drivers don't even realize are harmful. A turbocharger can spin at incredibly high speeds and generate extreme heat, which means even small mistakes can shorten its lifespan dramatically. Welcome back to FixPro Garage. Today, we're covering 5 common mistakes that can quietly damage your turbo engine and lead to expensive repairs. If you drive a turbocharged vehicle, make sure you watch until the end, because one of these habits is surprisingly common.
1. Hard acceleration after a cold start. One of the worst things you can do to a turbocharged engine is start it and immediately drive aggressively. This is especially harmful during cold mornings when engine oil is still thick and hasn't fully circulated throughout the engine. Your turbocharger depends on a constant supply of clean oil for lubrication and cooling. When the engine is cold, the oil needs time to reach critical components. If you accelerate hard before proper oil flow is established, the turbo's internal bearings can experience unnecessary wear. Many drivers are in a hurry and don't think twice about it, but repeated cold start abuse can slowly reduce turbocharger life. The better approach is simple. Allow the engine to idle briefly and drive gently during the first few minutes. Once the engine begins reaching operating temperature, you can drive normally.
2. Using the wrong fuel. The second mistake involves fuel quality. Turbocharged engines operate under higher pressure than naturally aspirated engines. Because of this, they often require higher octane fuel to prevent knocking and pre-ignition. When lower quality fuel is used in an engine designed for premium fuel, combustion may occur at the wrong time inside the cylinders. This creates excessive stress on pistons, valves, and turbocharged components. Many drivers choose cheaper fuel to save money, but the long-term repair costs can easily outweigh those short-term savings. Always check your owner's manual and use the fuel grade recommended by the manufacturer. Following this simple guideline can help protect both your engine and your turbocharger.
3. Overusing the stop-start system. Modern vehicles often come equipped with automatic stop-start technology. While this feature helps improve fuel economy and reduce emissions, it may increase wear in certain situations if used constantly. Every time the engine shuts off, oil circulation stops temporarily. If the turbocharger is still extremely hot, repeated stop-start cycles may contribute to additional stress on turbo components over time. This doesn't mean the system is bad, but it does mean drivers should understand how it works and use it wisely. If you're driving in heavy traffic or under demanding conditions, it may sometimes be beneficial to disable the system temporarily, depending on your vehicle and driving environment.
4. Shutting off the engine immediately after hard driving. This next mistake is extremely common. After a long highway trip, towing, climbing hills, or spirited driving, many drivers park their vehicle and immediately shut off the engine. The problem is that the turbocharger may still be extremely hot. When the engine is switched off instantly, oil circulation stops and heat remains trapped inside the turbo. Over time, this heat can break down oil and leave carbon deposits on internal turbocharger components. This process is commonly known as oil coking and can significantly reduce turbo life. A simple solution is to let the engine idle for around 30 seconds to 1 minute after heavy driving. This allows temperatures to stabilize and helps protect the turbocharger from unnecessary heat damage.
5. Ignoring regular oil changes. The final and perhaps most important mistake is neglecting regular oil changes. In a turbocharged engine, oil performs 2 critical jobs. It lubricates moving parts and also helps cool the turbocharger itself. Because turbo systems generate extreme temperatures, engine oil works harder than it does in many non-turbo vehicles. As oil ages, it loses its protective qualities and becomes less effective at handling heat. Dirty or degraded oil can accelerate wear inside the turbocharger and throughout the engine. Following a consistent maintenance schedule and using high-quality oil that meets manufacturer specifications is one of the best investments you can make in your vehicle's long-term reliability.
So, those are 5 common mistakes that can slowly destroy a turbocharged engine.
The good news is that every one of these problems can be prevented with proper driving habits and routine maintenance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car repair tips here on FixPro Garage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.